Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering everything. Plug the case in, charge earbuds to about 50% so pairing won't drop. Once done, open the case next to your unlocked phone. This wakes the earbuds and triggers pairing. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on. You can save time by closing other Bluetooth connections. If you use an Android Galaxy device, keep it unlocked so the phone detects the earbuds automatically and shows a quick connect prompt for a faster setup. Now pair the earbuds. Tap the on-screen Bluetooth prompt or go into Settings, then Bluetooth, and look for Galaxy Buds 2 Pro in the list. When you select them, accept any pairing or permission prompts. This links audio and call profiles. If you prefer more control, install and open the Galaxy Wearable app. It configures firmware, ANC, and touch controls. Keep the case open until the connection finishes, because closing it may interrupt the initial setup and require repeating the process. Finish by testing audio playback, microphone for calls, and touch gestures so everything works as expected. If the app shows firmware updates, install them now to improve stability and features. Make sure one earbud isn't quieter by checking mono/stereo balance in sound settings. If pairing fails, reset the buds, place them in the charging case, press and hold both touchpads for about 10 seconds, then retry pairing. This fixes most stubborn connection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.